Hello guys, today we're going to open this kiosk Wii U that has a built-in HDD hard drive, or whatever you want to call it. I just call it like that. So let's dig in. I already took up some of the screws out, so it comes off just like that. But let me give you a sign. So this wire for some reason sticks on there. It sticks on there. You just have to force it. You have to pull it gently. Don't force it or it'll break the cable. I managed to do that. So, you see the difference of the hard drive, of the disk drive that has a hard drive inside. We're gonna go ahead and look it up. So now I'm gonna switch screws so that I can go ahead and take out the front cover of the Wii U. Okay, so now you can take this out. Now just the Wii U itself. So now I'm gonna take out the fake disk drive that has a hard drive inside. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. The screw right here, and I noticed about the kiosk Wii U that it doesn't have a good wireless connection. I'm gonna change that. I know what to do to change it, because I got my old bricked retail Wii U that I'm gonna swap around so that I can just change it so that it could be much better, like a actual CAT system. And you know, these disk drive and the HDD, I think you have to do soldering to replace one of the chips, because they have like different combo keys in it for each console, so you have to do that. I think probably I'm right, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take out so you can see that I can pull it out and take it out now, but I need to take this out first, and then I need to take out these things right at the front. 1, hold on, 2. So you can see that these 2 is to give the hard drive more power. I meant the hard drive, yeah, the hard drive more power. So now to take it off, you have to take apart this. It's kind of strange looking like this. You have to take it out doing this. So you have to take this apart just to get the cable out of this. So let's go ahead and do that. I have done it before, so I know what I am doing right now. I just want to make a video since no one ever made a video before. So yeah, it's kind of new and interesting for me. If I get a CAT dev, I'll make a video on how to take apart the CAT dev, but I don't have one right now. But if I do, I would. Hold on a sec. Okay. So we finally take this out. So that's the board. And what I'm talking about, what you have to take apart, I'm talking about this. You have to replace this onto the to the hard drive motherboard. Not hard drive motherboard. I mean the disk drive motherboard. You have to replace this. I'm not too sure if there's any more optional chips or more chips to replace, but I definitely know you have to replace this also. I'm just saying. Now we can remove this. We can now go and remove these screws, and then we can finally go ahead and do that. And it comes with a hard drive, and I've already taken it out, so as you can see it's right here. So now we can take a look at the system. I'm gonna take out this ribbon cable out. So you take it out like that, and now you can see the whole thing. So it would look like this if you have a hard drive in, but my one was out, so it looks like this. That's what it would look like. The disk drive emulation. You can replace the hard drive or do whatever you want, or like copy the image to the hard drive. You have to back it up and all of that stuff. If you have no hard drive on that thing, it would just, the Wii U, if you go to the Wii U menu, it would just crash. It would just show an error code of something went wrong with the disk drive. Yeah, something like that. And if you have more questions, go ahead and comment below, and I will try to answer them as I can. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It looks so interesting, doesn't it? So I'm so impressed. Now when you do more taking apart, everything's gonna be the same as the kiosk Wii U. So nothing else will change. It just be like that. Oops, I forgot to take out my SD card. I'll do that now.
ENOC 808.
And there you go, you finally successfully got it out. So wow, that's the SLC. It's using Helix chip in it. The MLC Helix are bad, but the SLC Helix are fine. They have no problems, so it's all good. I'm so glad to talk and show you what's inside and everything of the kiosk system. I'm glad, I'm happy to show you. It's all the same as the kiosk Wii U. And yeah, do you want to see what the CPU looks like? Yeah, okay, so that's the heatsink, and that's what the CPU looks like. I'm not taking any the thermal paste out because I haven't got any thermal paste with me, the Wii U thermal paste, I mean. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Comment and like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.